Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more information on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll walk you through how to personalize visuals in Power BI. This will help to better present your data as well as analyze and highlight key insights. Let's get started. Starting from our dashboard, we'll hover over our table. Here, we can see a few options to choose from. We'll select Personalize this visual. Next, we can easily remove any fields we choose from our dashboard by clicking on the ellipsis icon and selecting Remove Field. In addition, we can rearrange any of our columns by dragging and dropping them to change the order. To change the visual itself, we'll click here under Visualization Type, and we can see a variety of different icons or visuals to choose from. For this scenario, we'll select Stacked Column Chart. Now, we'll go back to personalizing our visual, and we'll remove the fields we don't need for our x-axis. Then, we'll select a y-axis by clicking here, expanding our subset data, and selecting the field we choose, which would be sponsor in this case. We can now see our data populate into the visual. Let's remove the small multiple field, and this will allow us to view our one visual in full size. If we go back to personalizing our visual, we can make changes again, and this time we'll change our legend. Then, if we want a breakdown of our visual by different categories, we'll add a small multiple and select Functional Area. This will allow us to quickly compare data across multiple areas. In this example, we can see industry contracts, organizational research federal subcontracts, and more. This helps to highlight areas that may need additional sponsors. And that's it! Personalizing visuals in Power BI gives you the flexibility to explore your data in ways that are meaningful to you, making it easier to uncover insights in your data. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.